This is my Vernal Witch Hazel, another native, in middle of March. And it's, it's not quite spring yet. It's still winter. It's still pretty cold, but it is the earliest blooming bush that I have, and definitely one of the earliest blooming bushes you can get. It can bloom as early as the end of February, early March here in Zone 5 in northern Illinois. The interesting thing about these bushes is it keeps its leaves. It holds its leaves on very stubbornly the entire winter. I've done a little bit of research, and I find out that this is quite common with witch hazels. And once the new stuff grows, these leaves, they'll just fall off. But you see how it's really on there pretty well. So this has happened every year since I've had this bush for the last few years. But it's blooming now, and if you get up real close, you can see the little yellow flowers. And a few days ago, I actually saw a bee here, which is really early to see a bee out roaming, so that's pretty cool. If you have bushes and flowers that bloom all throughout the season, including ones that bloom really late and really early, you're helping out those pollinators. So this one won't be blooming much longer, so I figured I'd better take a quick little video of it to show the Vernal Witch Hazel with its little yellow flowers with the old leaves from last year still on it. This is about a few years old, and it's getting about 4 feet tall, maybe 3 feet wide. It can grow to 2 to 3 times this size.